there's like lots of places you can slip and crack your skull open. Welcome to Halfbox Studios. It's 10 AM and I'm going for a walk, and this is Day in Life. I'm currently on my way. There's kookaburras. There's kookaburras. Anyway, I'm currently on my way to an old abandoned ammunitions factory. Catch up with some friends there. Saltwater Cafe Pizza up here. Best place to get pizza and or chips. Not just saying that because I work there. Hey, Mr. Seagull, how you doing? Is your name Roger? Roger Seagull? No, your name's not Roger? Okay. Hey. Hey, Rude. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hey, Rude. Hi. Hi. Me too. JJ man. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. It's crazy. The people you meet. That's so strange seeing you here. Fancy seeing you here. Wild rude. Nice.
Yeah. Please don't. Although I am filming, so it'll be funny.
Yeah, that'll be good. Can you send it to me for the vlog?
Yeah, for the Vine.
Okay. I'm doing a Day in the Life video today. Let's do it anyway. Red.
I mean, like, I am technically the school rebel now.
James, he made it!
I did!
Whoa!
Correct.
Whoa, and then she just runs down the hill.
We did it.
Wait, what are we doing?
What are we doing?
I don't know, what are we doing? Why?
Hi!
Hi! Hi, James!
Hi!
James, hi!
Hi!
Hi! James, hi!
Yeah.
Don't mess. Ah! Wow!
I'm gonna ship this rock!
Do it! Yay!
Hey!
Here we see a James in his natural habitat.
I've been dipped into the water for as long as I can remember. I don't know the rest of it.
This is when we dub over the actual Moana.
Yeah.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember.
I'm gonna scale a cliff. This is the old abandoned ammunitions factory. And that's, yeah. It's quite a view. Yeah. We're going into the ammunitions factory. Talia and Nicola are just making their way out. There's Talia, there's Ruard, there's Jason doing whatever Jason's doing. And we're going into the ammo factory. There we go. This is the ammo factory. It's a bit of an echo. Pretty cool.
You look pretty cool.
There's a rock pool here. It's a pool. to fall in a rock. That rocks! It's exciting. There's like lots of places you can slip and crack your skull open. Rue's in a trench. How do you rate your experience at the abandoned ammo factory?
9 spaghetti out of 20.
9 spaghetti out of 20? Why 9 out of 20?
No, it was like probably a 9 out of 11.
9 out of 11?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There was not enough goats.
Oh yeah. It's a bit of a problem these days.
Yeah, not enough shade. I didn't have my
Yeah.
sunnies, and no one offered me the rest.
I don't have
Wow.
these. I got
So-
all these $2 sunnies at Kmart, and they're like just amazing. They're like they look really cool, like Lady Gaga.
How do you rate your experience?
They're probably like 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Spaghetti?
Not enough goats?
It's just not. Yeah.
Yeah. Lacking goats. How about you?
Pretty good.
How many out of spaghettis?
Flies are a bit bad.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's just so fun.
Yeah.
I ate one.
You did. Rue! How many spaghettis would you rate your experience?
23.
Out of what?
1.
23 out of what spaghettis?
Don't you mean 20?
Yeah! 21?
3 out of 1.
Was it... What,
73 flies around my face.
what did you think about the lack of goats?
Space shuttles eat tomatoes.
What about the goats?
What about the goats?
Exactly. How would you rate your experience?
No, I gotta cut them up.
Let's play chicken.
Oh,
You know.
because of the lack of goats? It was only at this moment did someone realise that there had been a car following them this entire time on the road. There's a car!
I'm a Mozzie and a Cuzzy and you can't catch me. Mozzie and
Where are we going, Rue?
Yeah, they don't have water. I
Flies.
searched like 3 years.
We are going to the water that is the salt of a cafe.
We're going to Saltwater Cafe Pizza, the home of the best pizza and chips in the Copper Coast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hashtag self-promotion.
I've already given a shameless plug at the start of this video when I walked past it to get here, so...
Maybe we will be.
We are at the glorious Saltwater Cafe.
And it does great food.
Yes.
Totally not biased.
It's very salty though.
It's in the water as well.
Unlike the place over there that is called Freshwater Cafe.
Yeah. Also known as Australia Post.
Yeah, not as medically
Are you
pleasing.
enjoying your iced coffee from Saltwater Cafe Pizza, home of the best?
Remember the best pizzas you mean?
I am enjoying it.
You look like you're enjoying it.
Is that a good angle? I feel like it's a good angle. Is this an angle?
That's a great angle.
Is it called Saltwater Cafe Pizza or Cafe Saltwater Pizza?
Or Pizza Cafe Saltwater.
No, but look on like their
It's our Christmas tree.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I fixed the star of it.
Yeah, a bit. There's my Nintendo Switch. I've been binge playing that recently.
I decorated
Yeah.
the
Put a little shepherd over Mario Odyssey.
Oh, I thought it was.
That's the shepherd. He's got a sheep. And I got tinsel above my door. Yeah, Christmas. Oh, yes, Rue.
How you doing?
Who is she? hey, Rue.
Yes.
What are those?
They're my sandals.
I got a pretty nasty sunburn, like you can see where my watch was sort of sunburned. We're back. Rue has done some computer work for me. And yeah, so now dinner is being cooked. And until then, we play some video games. Right everyone, it is time for the compulsory tweetception tweet. Let's see, filming. Hashtag tweetception. post. And tweet. Ta-da! You should totally follow us at Halfbox Studios. It's great. And I've started editing. It's Talia for you. Just importing all the videos. I accidentally deleted them all from my files, but that's fine because I have them backed up. So, well, look, here's stuff that you've probably already seen because it was like before this in the video. Wow, great! That's fantastic. Just been playing some GTA. It's been fun apart from some modder that constantly kept killing me. It was fun, but I reported him twice and now he's been banned. This is my relaxing between server work. It's pretty fun. Sunburn is really beginning to show. Like, I've got cream on it, which is why it looks like shiny in the camera. But my face is sunburnt, my ears are like purple in the real light. One thing I did want to announce to you. Our new name is Halfbox Studios, but we haven't really done anything yet to earn the title Studios. And one of the reasons I get asked, why did you want a more professional sounding name when you're making the same sort of content? Well, I am excited to announce that we are working on a very big project that will have more stuff coming out soon. The concept of it has changed a lot over time. Originally it was going to be on a second channel, it was going to be all this different stuff, we were going to get rid of ThouGhtPods and replace it with this and all that, but as of today it's kind of finalised exactly what we're doing. We're really excited, but I'm not going to tell you too much. All that I will tell you is that it's going to be a web series on the studio channel. It's going to be like a fully fledged like production. I've set up a Patreon thing and a GoFundMe. I don't know what I've created yet. I'm about to go and create it. Look in the description for that. But we are really excited to begin working on this. We've started scripting it already. One of the things I spoke to Rue about today, because he had his camera there, was the idea, and he is so keen. Like, we told him the idea, asked if he'd be interested in like filming, if he'd be interested in editing, that sort of thing, and he's like fully on board. I'll be behind quite a lot of it. I'll be behind a lot of the scripting, behind a lot of like the directing. So it will be a very big project. There'll hopefully be an announcement, like an official trailer sort of announcement out by New Year's. Hopefully, no promises, all depends on how much filming and proper production stuff we need. We need some more microphones. We've got one lapel mic at the moment and that's it, so we need some better microphones, be it a boom mic, more lapel mics, that sort of thing. But we are really excited to start this project. It's something that I've dreamed of doing for a very long time. It's something that Rue has been thinking of doing for a very long time. He spoke to me about today. But yeah, it's exciting. Stay tuned for that. So, funny story. I went to set up the recording studio for the GoFundMe page, which I'm setting up at the moment, because I'm recording a trailer video for it. And I realised that my camera tripod is down at the church being used for something we're doing tomorrow. And my lights tripods are at school. So what I've had to do is improvise. My camera is going to sit on this chair, on this desk, pointing at the lounge, which is where we shoot lounging with James. My two lights are on a bookshelf and above my TV, rather than on stands that go all the way up there and there. If this doesn't work, I'll just have to shoot it tomorrow, but I'd like to get it out of the way now. Yeah, fun. Well, it's been filmed. There are a couple of issues with the audio, but I'm hopefully going to fix that. And yeah, that's it. Let's do this. Well, the GoFundMe page is up, and link in the description to that. It is posted on Facebook, and we've changed our banner. It is on YouTube. You can watch the video here. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish editing the day in the life video, and then I'm going to head to bed. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like. If you didn't, then dislike it. Let us know in the comments why you didn't like it, and we'll see what we can improve next time. And make sure, last of all, to subscribe so that we know that you liked it, and so that you can see Bewilderment when it comes out. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I'll see you next time. Adios.